Aloha and welcome back to another Tūtū book from Partners in Development Foundation. Today we will be reading Nā Waihoʻoluʻu, or The Colors, illustrated by Garrett Omoto. Let's take a look. Ula ula, or red, like the red anthurium. Mele mele, or yellow, like the yellow sun or a yellow banana. Can you think of something yellow? Honi, or purple, like the purple orchid. Polu, or blue, like this blue beetle. Or the blue ocean, or the sky. Can you think of something blue? Ele ele, or black, like the black kukuina lei.
Kala, or pink, like this pink shell. Lani, like this orange fish. What else is orange? Can you think of something? Ke'o ke'o, like this white plumeria. So beautiful and smells so sweet. Hina hina, or gray, like this pohaku ku'i'ai. Do you know what that's used for? Oma'o, or green. This word is so long. Oma'o, like the green kalo leaf, which we use the pohaku ku'i'ai to pound the kalo. Maku'e, or brown, like this brown ukulele, or a brown guitar. What else is brown? Can you tell me? The end.